Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Air Jordan 4 Winter. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so definitely go and follow me there and see a lot of new updates every day. I realize I haven't done a sneaker videos in a while now, and I'm really excited for this one. This time I'm team early release. I couldn't believe it. This pair of sneaker has been talked about quite a bit the past few months because it looks very similar to the M&M 4s, and those are crazy prices. These are coming out December 2nd, I believe. When I saw these sneakers on the Go app early for just a little bit over retail, so I figured why not get it earlier than everybody else and do a little video for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing, review of the sneakers, and also compare it to the Jordan 4 BREDs. And also, stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna be showing you a few different ways to style them. So here it is. This is the box of the Jordan 4 Winter. On the front, you got the classic Air Jordan Flight logo. And then you have this retro style, the cement pattern all over the bottom box. And here it is. Let's get into it. Open the box. Here it is. The Air Jordan 4 Winter. Here it is. Here's the Air Jordan 4 Winter Edition. This is a really special pair of sneakers. Number one, the colorway has been compared to the M&M 4, and those are really special limited edition. They go for crazy amount of money. So now you have a similar colorway that you can wear. Really love the color blocking, the colors I chose for this. So you got the classic Air Jordan 4 style with a few design features that are very different. Number one, of course, is the leather. This leather material is almost like a tumbled leather, a little bit of a suede feel to it. The leather color changes a little bit as you touch and rub them differently. But overall, it creates a really nice texture and detail in the shoes. I'm curious to see as we start wearing these shoes if the color is gonna change, if it's gonna look even more interesting and different. And of course, this like midnight blue navy color is different from other Jordans that you see on the market. Number two, the classic Air Jordan netting design. Now this is a little bit different of a pattern, and this is like a rubber material. I'm guessing they use materials like this to show that it's a more durable design for the winter edition. Maybe this leather and this design is a little bit warmer for the feet in the winter season. And then number three is the fleece design on the inside. This is very different. I've never seen a pair of Jordans with this fleece lining. It does feel really nice, kind of like the nice and warm material of like the inside of your hoodie. I don't know how much warmer this will really feel. It does feel really comfortable. I don't think it really takes away from the overall design. It is a nice different in the feature for the winter edition. I could have gone without this part because I think then you just have a really classic Air Jordan look, but I don't mind it, and I get it. You know, they wanted to change things up. It's kind of cool to have a new feature like this, especially for a winter sneaker. Under different lighting, the blue actually looks kind of like a purple tint, so it's an interesting blue. Different lighting, different conditions, it looks more blue, it looks a little bit more purple. In some videos I've seen on YouTube, it actually looks more purple in the video. In person, it's definitely like an interesting navy blue color. I really love the pop of red that they added on the tongue here. I think that really changes the whole look of the shoes. And then on the bottom, you also have the matching color here. I'm really glad I got this early so I can start wearing them already and do a video like this. I think this will be a very big general release, so these should be available everywhere, and hopefully everyone will be able to get a pair that they want. I think this will be a great pair of sneakers going into the holiday season as well. So here it is again. This is the Air Jordan 4 Winter, and this is the classic Air Jordan 4 BREDs. Side-by-side comparison with the classic Air Jordan 4. Of course, the upper is very different. You got the black and suede on the classic, and you got the navy blue tumble leather on the winter. On the tongue there, the Jumpman is red on the classic, and on the winter, it is a black Jumpman. So it's less noticeable. It matches the black laces on the sneakers. And then going to the back here, this is the latest retro that I got. It is the Nike Air on the back. And on the winter, you have the black Jumpman. Also from the back, both of them has the classic Air Jordan logo on the inside of the tongue. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the classic netting design on the Air Jordan 4. Compared to the new one on the winter, it's much more just like a one-piece rubber material. Very different when you really look at it side by side. And then on the midsole of these sneakers here, we have black, white, and gray colors. But this big piece in the middle, this is gray on the classic, it's black on this one. I'm actually curious to know if the gray would have looked better on this guy. So yeah, this is just a quick comparison between the classic and the new winter edition. What do you guys think? This colorway is really dope and everyone should be able to get a pair because it's going to be a big general release. And now I'm going to show you guys a few different ways I'm going to wear these in the winter season.